Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I am doing a chicken stuffing casserole, and the first thing you want is 4 chicken breasts. I decided to cut mine up, but you could definitely put whole chicken breasts, and you want to put that in the bottom of your crock pot. After that, you want to put a package of stovetop stuffing, and it can be any flavor you want. I use chicken. Now you need a can of cream of something. I'm using cream of celery today. And you want to put this in. I'm going to just use my measuring cup. Pour that in there. And you want to mix in about a half a cup of sour cream. That's about a half. Just some I had left over. And you want to mix this together. It's optional, but I cut celery up and put that on with the stuffing. That's optional. I'm trying to keep it under 4 to 5 ingredients, so you don't have to put that part. It'll be great without it, but I actually like celery in my stuffing, so I took 1 celery stalk. I happen to have celery on hand, so I threw that in there, but that's optional. Cream of celery and the sour cream goes on top. Now I've doubled this recipe because my husband adores stuffing, so I figured I would double the recipe just to be on the safe side. And you just want to try to get that all on top of your stuffing. The same measuring cup I used for the sour cream and cream of celery, I'm going to put 1.5 cups of water, so that way the stuffing gets good and moist. Your crock pot on high for 4 hours, and supper will be ready. Okay, it's been 4 hours, and I'm going to, I'm going to stir this to make sure that the stuffing and the mix, and I want to also say I doubled this recipe. Oh yeah, that's going to be, my husband was wondering if I needed to make gravy for this, and I really don't. I don't know, it smells absolutely amazing. Oops. But I'm going to put this down on warm, so that way this will stay warm while I'm waiting for my husband to get off. This looks absolutely amazing. It smells good. Let me take a little bite. Oh, that's really, really good. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. I've really been working to try to find 4 and 5 ingredient recipes. They're inexpensive and easy to make. Because I know our lives get so busy that we really fall on recipes like this to try to get us by. So if you enjoy this recipe, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and y'all come back now. Y'all hear?